Hi everyone, Melissa here from Creative Memories Home Office, and today I am here to show you something that you have been waiting for. You guys have shown us so much love with all of our previous card kits, and we heard you say you wanted a blank card kit. Guess what? Here it is. Here is the blank card kit. It comes in a beautiful CM blue box. It has 12 pre-folded cards that measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it has 12 envelopes. So this allows you to use your creativity. It gives you the base to start with. You just add some paper and some sentiment stickers. Sentiment stickers. Yep. So in addition to the blank card kit, we now also have everyday stickers. So birthday, congratulations, hello, some borders we can add to our card. This is it. These stickers are sold separately, so you don't have to use these stickers, but they will add to any of our color combinations that we have in our collections out there. So again, you just add some basic paper, add the stickers to it, and you've got a completed card. We can't wait to see how you make this blank card kit come to life.